3 things you don't know but should about your air ducts because they're costing your lungs, your money, and your time. Reveal number 1, your lungs are paying the price. Because that air you breathe in is pulled straight from whatever's sitting inside your ducts, and whatever's sitting in your ducts ends up inside you. Second, your wallet is taking a hit. Dust buildup makes your system work harder, run longer, and burn more energy, especially if your filter's overdue. Number 3, your free time. Dirty ducts push dust right back into your home, which means much more cleaning. No one's got time for that. Now watch as we clean these dirty ducts fast and easy. Breathe easier, save money, clean less. Clean ducts made easy.